Separate your personal WhatsApp from your work chat. Create a business WhatsApp and dedicate a number to it. Use a professional photo different from your personal WhatsApp. This helps you stay professional and look organized. Use broadcast list for updates and announcements. Don't make your group chat look noisy. These are perfect for client updates without distraction. Use labels to stay organized. Labels like pending, paid, new client, follow up. This helps you to save time and prevent missed messages. Instead of long paragraphs, why not use short lines, number your points, use bullet style messages. This messages helps you to avoid back and forth. Use starred message for important message. This helps you to keep track of important instruction and you get to it whenever you need them. How to use voice note wisely. Keep your voice note not more than 1 minute. You only use voice notes when explanation is better than typing. No. Remember, short voice notes equals respect to people's time. Always use your custom notification for important clients. This helps you to focus without missing priority messages. Share availabilities, announcements, reminders or status. This reduces repeated questions and status works like mini notice board. Always share your status. WhatsApp can be powerful if you use it the right way. Follow for more simple remote tips.